Welcome to the On Fire Worship Flagging Workshop. I'm Andrea York, the Chief Steward and Flag Maker at Catch the Fire Worship Flags. I've been teaching on the subject of worship flags since 2011, and I'll be your guide to turn your questions into a foundation, elevate your praise and worship to the next level, and turn your fears into confidence. The On Fire Worship Flagging Workshop is a wonderful training tool for individuals, small groups, or dance teams who want to learn more about worship flags and their use for praise and worship expression. Along with the video teaching, you've been provided a link to download a workbook, which is a helpful resource for your dance and flagging ministry. By the end of the workshop, you'll understand what praise and worship flags are, why and how they're used, and have the confidence to use them without feeling self-conscious. Here's what you'll learn. Why worship flags are important for everyone, even if you don't ever pick up a pair to use yourself. A biblical foundation of worship flags. How to shift atmospheres with worship flags, including understanding about how God speaks using color. And you'll learn several flagging movements to give you confidence when using worship flags. Let's begin now.